Hello, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Wealthy Reads. Today, we've got a fantastic book review lined up for you. It's titled The New Value Investing: How to Apply Behavioral Finance to Stock Valuation Techniques and Build a Winning Portfolio by C. Thomas Howard. Now, let's dive into this intriguing book. It's like a treasure trove of knowledge, guiding investors on how to make smarter and more profitable decisions in the stock market. The author C. Thomas Howard brings his experience and expertise to the table, offering valuable insights into using behavioral finance to inform stock valuation techniques. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about building a winning portfolio that can withstand any market condition and deliver consistent returns. This book is like a guidebook for anyone looking to take their investment game to the next level. So, if you're ready to dive deep into the world of value investing and build a portfolio that truly works for you, pick up this book by C. Thomas Howard today. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content like this one. Until next time, keep reading and stay wealthy.